Hi all. Okay, and now we'll do the second vector example. I have those on my C drive. So the previous video we went over this one, and then now we'll go over this one. It's basically the same thing, but we added these two lines to it. So what we're going to do is just change the vector at the 0 index. We're going to change it from 10 to 20. And then vector for the third index, we're going to change it from 13 to 23. Okay, so when we create the vector, these are the values: 10, 11, 12, 13. Then when we change it, the values are 20, 11, 12, and 13. Because here we change the first one to 20, and we change the fourth spot to 23. Okay, so let's run it and we'll see what it does. First, we'll compile it. And then we'll run it. And you can see it changed our values. Okay, so just to run through it real quick. First part is the same as the previous video. We create a vector. It stores integers, and we name it v, and then we use the pushback function to put values into the vector: 0 index, first index, second index, third index, and then we change the values. V for 0, we put it was 10, now we put a 20 in it. V for 3, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. It was 13, we change it to 23. Use a for loop to print out the vector. And now it prints out 20. Because of this here, 20, 11, because of this here, 12, because of this here, and 23, because we changed it here. Okay, so you can think of a vector as just an expandable array. It contracts and expands as needed. This one, we just happen to be using it to store integers. We name it v. So this line creates the vector. And then we call the pushback function to put numbers into the vector. And this just keeps pushing it to the end of the vector. And then we change it. Change v for 0 to 20, v for 3 to 23. And then just to run through this real quick, j is set to 0. So the first time j at the location 0 would be the 10. but here we change 0 to 20, so it prints out the 20. J++ bumps 0 up to 1. Now we use the size function to get the size of the vector. We can't hard code a number in here because a vector expands and contracts as you put numbers into it. So we use the size function to get the size. So it's now 1, V for 1. First index is 11, so it prints out the 11. Bumps 1 up to 2. Is 2 less than the size? Yes, the size is 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it does the print out again. Print out the 12. Bumps it up to 3. 3 is less than 4, right? 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. It grabs the number in the third spot. Prints out the 23. Bumps 3 up to 4. And now it says J is 4 less than the size. No, it's the same. 4. We got 4 here and 4 here. So the loop stops and the program quits. Okay, so there's 2 small examples on what a vector is. Okay, see ya. Bye.